Okay, so that took a little bit of time for the first one. Let me just wrap this up real quick. I don't know how it took quite so long to finish the first one, but that's all right. It's good to be thorough. Free writes that, let's see, let's orient you here. After the research paper section, or the module, which is week 5, you have the free writes. I just checked them. They're fine. They're the ones I use for summer, so that's going to be perfect. So everything should be basically set there. Basically just starting here, they should correspond. Usually there's like a video here for that corresponds with the free write, or a piece of text. It depends. Okay, so those are the free writes. I would expect to do it's approximately probably like 4 per week if you break it down. And then let's look at the other thing, which are the discussions. So I may okay. Yeah, I'll put these up, but let's see, we only have a couple weeks. Yeah, we're not going to actually do too many of these because of the schedule. So we'll probably just, here, I'll look at the calendar here. We'll probably do just 6. So I will put these up. Well, let's see. I'll start with the first one here, I think. Yeah, this will be great. So we'll use this one. This will be our first one here. Sorry. Well, anyway, so those are the discussions, and I'll pin it up there in a second, and that'll be that. All right, so that one's up there at the top. I will unpin the other ones so we're not confused. So the one that's pinned for the week, that'll be the discussion for the week. That's it. So it's should say week 1. You are working on that photo essay. The discussion post 1, which is right here, and the free writes, which you will find under in the free write module. All right, and I would say try to do the first 4. All right, so that should get you going for week 1. And let me know if you have any questions. Email me, message me here. I'm happy to set up Zoom meetings during my office hour. All right, take care, and like I said, do let me know if you have any questions.